What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today's an unboxing day, so I will be unboxing this Bag Grabox. I received my package and it looks like this. Let's begin the unboxing. This product costs 1009 rupees including the shipping charges. This box contains change every month. They have other variant too, like Beauty Grabox and Jewel Grabox. I have already done the review on the Jewel Grabox. If you want to take a look, I will link it up right here for you. I am sorry to inform you that this box has been discontinued as per the website. So after removing the cover, this is how the packet looks like. They have fully bubble wrapped it and it's good. Let's open the packaging now. They have sent a card written "Congratulations on your Bag Grabox" and at the back they have mentioned all the package contents and their respective prices. You can pause this video to check the price of all items if you want to. First of all, we have this beautiful duffel bag. Let's open the plastic zipper. So this is black and white checkered bag. Let's open the zipper. This is how the inside portion of the bag looks like. And they have also sent the shoulder strap with it, so you can hang it from your shoulder. Next one is the side bag. It has a cute teddy with spectacles on one side, and this is the back side. Inside they have included a small purse where you can keep all your change. And inside in here there is an inner pocket. Next one is this traditional embroidery clutch. Inside here is a chain strap. Next one is this handmade potli bag. It appears to be a very good quality and very pretty. The last one is this cute tin box with rose and "I love you" is written over it. And this is the inside portion. I hope you have enjoyed watching this unboxing video. Please let me know your comments about this subscription box down below. And also do let me know if you have any suggestions on our videos. And lastly, hit the like button if you like this video, share it if something that you are into, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next review. Till then, take care. Summer is here, so stay cool. Bye.